should be enough.
Just ignore me on the peanut crew.
Figure out which one it is? Yes. Tell me when, Charlie! Go ahead.
Go ahead. Bye, Mom.
Bye, don't be careful. No, got it. Ah! Whoop. That was close. Close, Cliff. That was close, Cliff. Don't be careful. See you later. Bye.
A textured rhino lining? That looks good. You get it any color you want.
Until you fall and skid on it with your knees. Oh, okay. I thought it was like the sandpaper.
It's like truck bed lining.
Oh, okay.
We come in here with 5, 6 people, and we can leave. We come back with a different person.
You know your color of your buoys, right? Yeah. Left is turn hard to port. So is that the creek that follows the road coming in, right? Yep.
No, this isn't the creek that follows the road. We don't see that, no. Yeah, you'd have to go down the road.
Okay.
That road you say you turn, that goes down to that.
Okay. That's what the silo is, right?
Yes. Well, shit, we're, if it's 7. Big one. What? What?
What kind of boat is this?
It's a big 50-foot marine trader. There you go. You happy now?
Yes.
Okay. We done?
No. Alrighty. That is St. Clements Island. It's actually the first landing spot from England to Maryland. So it's the first landing in regards to when Europeans came over to the US. Obviously history is not my standing point. But there is a lighthouse on it. There's a giant cross. They have like every year they have a holiday for it. It's called like Maryland Day or something like that, I believe. And actually, there is a boat incident in the 1800s where two boats collided against each other about a mile away from this, so probably about like right here, maybe a mile. Yeah. Basically, yeah, two boats collided, like 70 people died, one boat sunk, the other one survived, but just barely. Apparently there's an account from a guy who actually survived it, and he survived by climbing up to the top of the mast on the boat and hanging on for dear life for like 8 hours. Yeah, so that's St. Clements Island. Yeah, Blackie Stone or something like that. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's the monument on the Appalachian Trail. Usually it's closed, but every once in a while they have it open. You can climb into it and go up to the top and look out. I'm doing sections of it. Yeah. The guy that I'm actually hiking with, the guy with the YouTube video, he's already done all of Virginia. Now he's starting with Tennessee. Yeah, that's gonna be rough. Yeah, no, you can just camp wherever you want. There's certain rules, like you don't want to camp 10 feet away from the trail. You kind of want to find a space that already has a campsite set up. Or if you are going to do backcountry camping, you want to step away from the trail where you can't see it.
Fires and all that.
Some places are allowed to have fires, but there's like Shenandoah, you can't have fires. But honestly, half the time you're hiking, you're too tired. Yeah, you get back from the trail and you're just like, I'm just going to sleep.
So I guess you have to have carry as lot of stuff as possible, right? Like
Yeah.
a full tent. I'd want to get one of those hammocks that you put in the tree with a tent on it.
I actually sleep in a hammock.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I have a whole
Does it hurt your back?
It's actually better for my back than sleeping on the ground, because I would always get pressure points on like my hips and stuff, and I would wake up and my back's hurting and the sciatic is starting to kick in. But I bought a cheap hammock from Walmart one day, and I used that at Lake Moomaw. We went camping, canoe camping for 4 days, and we basically didn't move. We were gonna like go for a hike and go play. No, we got to the campsite, and immediately after we got there, we saw that it had a beach. It had like a pretty view of the mountains. Yeah, we just stayed there. There was a grassy like lawn that we could lay out on.
I like camping this time of year in the summer. It's just too hot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if I hadn't have been going to California, I would have been camping like right now, just constantly. But I'm going to California. Actually, huh? It was me and Judy. We were always kind of like, oh yeah, we need to go to California. Yeah, we're gonna take a road trip to California one day. And this year she was like, well, I haven't done anything big this year. What do you want to do big? And I was like, let's road trip something. And she was like, okay, what do you want to road trip? And we originally were gonna just road trip the East Coast, like start at one state, drive down, and come back up, and just visit like all the hot spots in each state, but on either side. So it's gonna be like water view and then mountain view. So it'd be going up 2 different ways. We were gonna do that, and it was gonna be a lot of fun, but we didn't have enough time. And then she was just like, hey, let's go to California and do a road trip there. And we started looking up the prices of plane tickets, and ended up being like $130 round trip. Like it was, yeah.
Is that American Airlines or some kind of foreign country?
No, it's Spirit. Well, it's like Spirit Airlines. So everything, it's kind of like one of those where you do have to watch it. They will raise the price because you do have add-ons. But if you don't do the add-ons and you just do basic, it's fairly cheap. To go to Maryland or to go to California, it's like, for me it was like $70 for the plane ticket, and then on the way back it was $60 through another airplane because we're going to 2 different areas. This is the walkthrough for the boat. This is the living room and the kitchen area. All of the wood inside is actually teak. These are hand carved. The door is hand carved, which I will show you soon. My dad actually made this for the boat. So this is where your TV would go. There's a little thing for you to put your dish and whatever, your cable box and VCR, etc., etc. He built that bar. He built these cabinets. And up there is, I believe, the cockpit type room where we drive, and that is also where the table is. But I will show you the downstairs first. So this door is handmade, hand carved. Dad also installed this bar right here to help go down the stairs. This is the bedroom that is currently still being worked on. Dad actually built these little side trays. He hand built them to fit the boat in particular, because the original ones that were built into this boat actually rotted away. This is a closet. There's a mirror on the back of the closet. And this is the bathroom with, again, the carved doors, which he's mostly finished with the basic of the bathroom. He just has to finish the plumbing. And you have lights. You have a cabinet. And he's done the woodwork around the tub. If you continue on, there's a second set of stairs that leads to the driving room / dinette area. And this is the small hallway, so that was the main bedroom, and then this is going to be where the second bedroom is. This is, I believe, another bathroom, but it could be, yep, it's another bathroom. So you do have two bathrooms, one full and one that's just a wash room, I suppose. This one is not done yet, obviously. Then you have a closet that is unfinished, but it's a closet. Then you have front bedroom. Now, my best friend actually lived in this bedroom. There are beds that sit right here and right here. And so you can fit two people. You can sleep right here and right here with plenty of room. Yeah, so this is the front bedroom. Going up the stairs, this is where the dinette would be. These steps are actually really steep. See, there's the exit to the other area. This is where the dinette is. As I almost fall. And this is where you drive. On the outside of the boat, you have the general walkways. with a railing you can grab onto and help yourself down, which I don't need to. Then you have the back deck. And then you have the upper deck. Which consists of a spare sailboat slash buoy, or not buoy, raft type thing to go to shore. You also have a pulley system to lower it into the water. That is where you can drive. And this is where you can sit out front and not get blown away. This is front of the boat. You can do an awesome Titanic impersonation right there. Obviously we have some chairs because we were sitting up here earlier. This entire boat has really cool carvings. Everywhere on this boat there's a little bit of hand-carved goodness. These actually need to be finished and cleaned up, but these have been here since the boat originated. Hand-carved details that someone put in. This is teak wood. It's just unstained, I think, currently.
From Barnum and King George Towers on the Rappahannock near Mount Pleasant, Virginia. All vessels in the vicinity are requested to keep a sharp lookout as soon as possible and advise the Coast Guard of all sightings. Any person that heard this distress call is asked to contact Coast Guard Sector Hampton Roads to report position at time
we just
on
passed it.
DHS FM Channel 16.
That black and white boat
Commander
that
Coast
was
Guard
floating
Sector
out
Hampton
there.
Roads break.
It's on the
This
Rappahannock
is United States Coast Guard Sector Hampton Roads, Virginia out.
By the shed.
Mm-hmm.
Belongs to the hardware store guy. Why are you kicking up mud? Shouldn't be. Shouldn't be doing anything. It's high tide right now. I think you'd be able to. Oh yeah, we can get in. Matter of fact, look at the wind. You don't realize how fast you're going until you see land next to you to give it perspective. You drive by people in boats like,
I like the one with the, it's like a little, scooter.
Scooter with a train horn on it. Yeah, that was really cool. You see that guy go? That was really cool. Yeah.
where the hell do you get a train horn at?
I don't know, but it's what he had. It almost stopped the scooter when he blew it. Remember the boat used to be out here? I wonder what happened to it.
Sunk.
Yeah. Better swing this wide. How'd you like to catch that? Look, this is the table.
It's actually, I think, that house. electric with 2 engines?
We'll be back. Oh, look at that.
Look at the mud pile.
Well, I know what tide I can't get in here in.
It's a mud bath.
Tell Mom we're not coming up. We have to dock it.
Yeah, I called her.
I mean,
I texted her and I called her.
you did?
Yeah.
At work?
Alright, you good now, Cliff? That could be no more mud up.
Okay. You gotta get ready to grab something, Debbie, in here. What? We are not going to go to the road, just up close to it.
And there's Bill.